Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I was recently out again at Lidl supermarket here in the UK and I came across quite a few new Parkside tools. In particular, lots of different sets of precision tools such as precision screwdriver sets. So these are really useful if you're into your DIY or repairs, if you like to repair smaller things such as gadgets, tech, phones, watches, that sort of thing. Anything small and awkward. There's lots of different sets available and I'm going to go through them with you in this video. So first up we've got this 18-piece precision toolkit. This is for handicrafts, repairs, small jobs. It comes in a nice little case. And you've got like the main body here, sort of handle screwdriver type thing, and then all the different attachments that it's got. So I'll start off with these files. So there's nice little files that you can use. You put them in the end of the handle. You have to pull up this front piece on the handle and then it will lock in position. That locks them in. And that's actually quite good. You've got little rasps, tiny little rasps, files. There's elongated screwdrivers here. There's little picks to get into awkward little spots and remove material. And there's also a sort of extendable magnetic pointing device. You could use this, I suppose, in a presentation to point at something, or you could use it to pick up a little tiny screw that's fell off the table. It's on the floor maybe, and you could just use this. It's magnetized and it folds away. So interesting little kit. One of them sorts of kits that you don't know you need it until you realise you haven't got the tool that you need. So always good to have in the drawer. Plenty of unusual little accessories on here. I'm sure that'll come in useful. Here's another very interesting little kit that you might not think you need, but just handy to have in the drawer, just in case. So again, comes in a nice little case, and this is a smartphone repair kit, 17-piece kit. So it's got the main handle type screwdriver here. This red part of the back turns so that you can put that in your palm, and there's some little rubber grips on here for like precision screwdriving. Really nicely made. I love the colours. It's all metal, looks really good. And then that comes with a selection of bits. And the bits just slot in the end like so. And it also has a SIM card remover, like a pin, in case you've lost yours. If you want to get your SIM card out, it's got one of them with it. It's got this little sucker. I'm guessing this is to hold the screen steady, or I'm not sure, but that's in there, a little sort of window sucker. And then there's some little pry tools, plastic pry tools to just get in and open up the phone or tablet or whatever electronic device you're working with. Quite a simple little kit, but nice little precision screwdriver with the bits as well. Right, so next up we've got this Ratchet screwdriver set. This is a 38-piece set. I wanted a small ratcheted screwdriver. This looks excellent. So this is basically just the ratcheted screwdriver with the attachments. Plenty of attachments that look decent quality. There's little star ones, there's Phillips style hexagonal ones like small Allen keys. Nice range of bits. And then this nice little ratchet screwdriver. And it's got a nice sound to it as well. And to turn it the other way, you just twist this red part and then it will unscrew, twist it back again, and you're screwing. Nice rubberized grip on it, nice sound, better quality than I was expecting. The bits just come out, slot into the end like so, and they stay in there nicely. So very simple set, but a very useful set in my opinion. Keep this in your drawer at work, at your office or at home. You've got a nice little chunky screwdriver there with plenty of bits. So next up we've got the precision socket set. This is a 23-piece set. Again, has a lovely, nice quality case. This is just a miniature socket wrench. As you can see here, good for small projects, and it has all the attachments that you'd expect. Sockets going up to 12mm. Smallest one is, I think that is 4mm. So nice little set here, a small arrangement of sockets, and there's also an arrangement of bits as well, so you can use this as a sort of screwdriver, a little ratcheted screwdriver as well. These bits will attach onto the other side, and there's a little lever here to put it in reverse, back and forward and reverse, so that all works well. Rubberized little handle on it. Again, another useful little kit. So now we have the Precision Toolkit 66-piece. So this is a bit of a bigger kit, a bit more of a luxury kit. And it comes with a different type of case, this one. The case has little magnetic corners on it, so you can remove the lid, put that aside so you can get really good access to all the bits. So it's basically just a small screwdriver with an end on it that moves again, so you can get that in your palm. And it's got a metal grip here. This is all metal. The bits attach in the end, and it's got an extension as well, which you can add on for really awkward spots. There's the little extension, and this has a really interesting arrangement of bits. There's quite a few bits in here that I've never seen before. Security type bits, tiny little sockets, tiny little screwdriver bits, tiny little star ends. I'm not even sure what you'd call half of them, but if you're into your precision repairs, maybe repairing glasses, very small objects, there's loads of tiny little attachments here. There's even a little magnetic attachment as well to pick up tiny little screws that you can't pick up with your fingers, maybe, just to make your life easier. So really nice arrangement here. Very small screwdrivers. And this is all held in like a sponge as well. So nice to put the lid back on and it just magnetises on. So again, a lovely little kit for any type of really small precision repair work. So then finally I bought this magnetic tray. This one measures 150mm by 65mm. Double-sided magnetic effect for strong metal, for storing metal objects, e.g. screws, nuts, sealing washers, etc. There was 2 or 3 different shapes. There was a round one, a square one I think, and this oblong type one. I went for this one. I wasn't sure which one to go for, but again, very nicely made, and it's got these chunky magnets on the bottom. So ideal when you're putting screws in a safe place. You don't want them to roll off the table. I don't know why I didn't get one of these sooner. I've got a little metal bowl that I put screws in when I'm doing restorations, but it's not magnetic, so this one's ideal. And if you've got magnetic tool holders, I'm expecting that you could just stick this up on one of them as well to store it. So a lovely little item again for doing your repairs. Okay then, so that is about it for this video. So as you saw there, lots of really interesting different sets. I think they've really thought these through quite well for all different areas. There's a nice little kit if you're into your, say, phone repairs or watch repairs, gadgets, anything that requires delicate small tools. I think it's all covered pretty much. I'm glad I bought these sets. I won't use them very often, but I'll keep them in the drawer, and every now and again when I remember I've got the set, they'll come in handy. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.